Small changes, long-lasting results, and minimal effort. For fools and for wise men, but most importantly, for you. Here you will find zero garbage. This will change your life completely. Leaders of the future. Get started now. These will not be generalities. These will be explicitly specific. These are personal to me, and you will find them unique. This is designed to destroy your free time. Everything we will be talking about will be designed to erase your free time. Who gives this kind of advice? A winner does. A self-made leader, with decades of success, who is financially free. I want you to achieve this. We will get back to this idea at the end of the video. However, let's move on, for now. Your routine is the foundation of it all. First, consistently wake up, every day, at the same time. Experience has shown that the earlier you commit to wake up, the better. Shower, groom, take care of your hygiene. Listen up and stick with me on this. We must get through these foundational basics to move forward. Here is where the first major day-changing initiative takes place. Find something that you can look forward to doing every day immediately after these first steps. It may be making a cup of coffee or tea. It could be going out and picking one up from a shop or restaurant instead. Maybe it is preparing or purchasing and eating something. Whatever it is, make it a consistent part of your day and immediately after the previous first steps. All of these previous steps should be completed within 30 to 45 minutes of waking up. No exceptions. If it takes longer than 30 to 45 minutes, reevaluate where the time waste is and eliminate it. The reason this is so incredibly important is that you must wake up with something to look forward to. Ingesting something, liquid or solid, that you truly enjoy, provides you with a natural dopamine hit that will start to addict you in a positive way. You'll find yourself fighting less and becoming highly motivated instead. Again, we are building up here to a much bigger idea. Perhaps you already know or do this. Great. Always be open for correction and reevaluate, regardless. Revisit foundational guidance regularly. Stop the cherry picking. Stop rewriting the book. You are here. Go back to the basics. Immediately after you enjoy this small moment of the start of your day, you must begin your work. This could be a typical money-making job. It might be searching for a job. Perhaps your circumstances are truly unique and you have other major responsibilities that need attending to. No one has zero responsibilities. If you think you are that person, without responsibilities, you are the fool mentioned at the opening of this video. You are responsible to your future self, your future family, and society. Go, find, work, and make it a significant part of your everyday. Thank you for being with me still, and make sure to thank yourself. This is hard for many to hear. It's what will make you truly unique. One of the few winners amongst the masses. Please take a moment to like and subscribe before we close out this first video in this new series. So far, we have not placed any time in this routine for media consumption. It is of the utmost importance that you do not pick up that smartphone, turn on the TV, or use the computer to consume media. Do not consume media. At the beginning of the video, I started with the premise of eliminating free time. Free time is a genius marketing move by individuals with evil intentions. Today, it is used to market their media they want you to consume, to be a slave to their product instead of a truly free person who can provide for themselves and their family. Nothing makes a person happier and truly rewarded than producing instead of consuming. Therefore, I want to help you fill your time with more work. And you will enjoy it. This is radically counterculture. And that alone should be all the proof you need to stick with me on this journey. You know this deep within you. In the next video in this new series, we will continue on from where we've left off. We will discuss the other parts of your day, any gaps in between, fighting the social pressure, and diving in deeper. Take a moment to tell me in the comments section what your raw take is on this controversial subject. I look forward to reading each and every message and replying to you. As always, be a lion.